Alright guys, so today we just got a FGX XR8 in, running the SYNC factory head unit. We've just managed to install one of our new CarPlay Android Auto wireless modules into the car. So just by pressing and holding the seat button on the steering wheel, that flicks over to our wireless CarPlay menu, nice and easy, running the maps, music, phone calls, everything that you need in one place, and fully integrated with the car. So this is manual with the factory reversing camera. Chuck it into reverse, camera comes up still, no worries at all. Back out of reverse, back to the CarPlay menu. You got your AC display up on the screen, temperature control, fan speed, modes, everything that you need there. And yeah, this will be released for you guys pretty soon, so keep an eye out for it. Alright, so the FGX with the CarPlay Android Auto module as well. So this one's just showing the wireless Android Auto feature. So music playing, volume, next song, all your maps, AC controls, no worries at all.